My wife Shelley and I both left our full-time jobs in April of 2021 and decided to follow our dreams of further travel, adventure and a bit of the unknown. We sold our 5-acre rural property and downsized to our lock-up and leave 2-bedroom livable shed. We built this to also house our caravan and vehicle and provide us with storage when the lure of overseas travel calls. Unfortunately, we both know people who didn't quite make it to retirement or after a long working life are now unable to do the things they dreamt of, either from disability or illness. While we will still have to work from time to time, we aim to spend as much time as possible travelling around our beautiful country of New Zealand and later on some further destinations. So there you have it, Vagabond Life. So we'd just like to do a big shout out to all of our subscribers that have been with us for a few years now. Thank you very much for your support, and it is much appreciated. Also, a special thanks to all our new subscribers that have come on board on the channel in the last 12 months. Especially just of late, we've picked up quite a few subscribers, so thank you very much guys for coming on board, much appreciated. It really does help the channel to grow, and it just spurs us along to make more videos.
And we'd just like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a happy and safe New Year, and stay tuned for our travels and adventures in 2023.
Absolutely. So yeah, until then, we will wish you a Merry Christmas and catch you in the next one.
Bye.
See ya.